Night fell over Constantinople, but the battlefield did not grow quiet. And through the darkness, Mehmed watched the walls, waiting for the moment to strike. Then, from the walls, the Byzantines answered with fire of their own. But the Ottoman guns kept firing, and the ancient walls began to crack. Yet every crack in the walls brought the defenders back to the fight.
For the Empire!
But there was no time to rest. As dawn broke, the Ottoman guns were ready to fire again.
Aim!
The second bombardment struck before the defenders could finish their repairs. Yet the defenders refused to let the breach grow. Stone by stone, they rebuilt what the cannons destroyed. Mehmed saw the defenders repairing the damage. He knew the pressure could not stop. Again, the Ottoman guns thundered across the plain.